Roses are red, violets are blue. Hip hip hooray, we got a picture to do! Hi guys, my name is Cairo and this is my little sister, Helena. And today we're going to be drawing this cute, adorable lovebirds kissing for Valentine's Day. So let's get started! Okay, the first thing we're going to do is the two beaks touching. So all we're going to do for that is right in the middle of our picture, we're just going to do two little lines like that touching. Good. And so you curve it at the end. Next, we're just going to curve it, and then we're going to take it, and we're just going to bring it like that, okay? So I just want it swooped up and then down. Good. And do that on the same side. Grab the top and just curve a little line down on both sides. That looks like their beaks right now. Next thing we're going to draw is their head. So their head is going to stick out, that, and then curve back, okay? Good job. And on the same side. Okay. Okay. Next, we're gonna do is the other side. So you're just gonna take it and you're just gonna go whoop. Okay. Just go whoop. Okay, that's good. Other side. Other side. Your head is just so funny. Yours is like the funny birds. Okay, next we're going to draw the bodies. So for the bodies, we're just going to bring it out and down like that. So out and down.
Down like that?
Yeah, out and down. Good. So we're just going to do that on the same side, on the other side, on the other bird. Okay? So out and down. Out and down. Out and down. Good job. Okay, next we're going to do some eyes. So you can make, so I'm going to make a boy and a girl. So on this side, we're just going to draw a little circle. A circle inside, and a little circle at the bottom. And shade that in. Funny bird. Okay, now let's just add a little eyebrow. Eyebrows are cute. Okay, now let's do that on the same side. So a circle. Circle inside. Circle at the bottom. And color that in. And then let's add some eyelashes. So we're just going to bring it down like that. Look, you got some? And then, because everybody has eyebrows, let's do a little eyebrow on top. Okay, yours looks really good actually. Okay, next we're going to draw a line across on each side. Okay. Next, we're going to take right here and we're just going to make it quite wide and bring it in for a wing. And do that on the same side. Okay, next they have a little purple feather here. So let's just draw a little feather like that. Okay, now let's do that on the same side. So, take it, bring it out, and in. And And just a little feather there. We're almost done. Next, let's draw a little branch. So if this is where our tail's in, because tails hang, so we're just going to start right here in like the middle of their feathers. Line that up and you just bring it out to the edge of your page. Good, and then bring it out, okay? But right when you like get a little close, start bringing it up, because that's where it kind of attach. Okay, good. Now do that and measure. It's okay if you get a little wobbly, because branches are usually wobbly. And then right where you got it, bring it out again. So right where you start going out, bring it out again. Good. Now let's draw some hearts. So we're just going to draw a loop on one side, a half of an S, let's say, and the other half of an S on the other side. Now let's do the same thing. So, on the inside, half an S, and another half an S. Let's draw 2 more on each side. So if you want, you can turn your page a little diagonal. This is the easier way. So, half an S, another half an S, and the same in the inside. Good. Now let's do one more right here to give it some extra love. So half an S, the other half an S, and same on the inside. Half an S, and half an S. And there we have it! A cute lovebirds kissing.